Trapaholics.
Yeah,
Real
I
trap
play my wrist
shit.
every day. I had to, nigga. Yeah, turn me on one time. You already know what going on, boy. I flip my wrist. Hey, turn me up one time, nigga. I had to. I flip my wrist. Hey, you already know. I do this for real, my nigga. Hey, I flip my wrist. Young nigga, I flip my wrist. 12 years old, by the south side. Hitting lit on my street. Coming through in my all red Porsche. I flip my wrist. Put the ball turn. Coming through every day. Holla at me when you see me. I'm speeding real quick in my whip. Young nigga, I had to get that money regardless. Wake up in the morning, I load on my clip. Before I head got the burn dope. Hop in my whip, I'm speeding, riding around in my city. Young nigga still killing it. Every day, I flip my wrist. I had to. RP to my nigga brain roll. Gone too soon. Bitch, I got that brain roll inside my pocket. Going so hard, like no tomorrow. Shout out to my nigga Dre Souza. He keep it 100 all the time. And you know that. Nigga, in my nigga Huncho, he be grinding on for show. They both in my cousin, from the D, ballin', run that check up every Thursday. I be hustling on my street, coming through every day. RP to my nigga, brain roll, fly high to the sky. I be trapping all my life, still killing it. I flip my wrist every day. My wrist so cold, nigga, like ice silver. I be killing it, trapping. I got that ounce, I stay blowing it out the window, killing it. Coming through every day. I flip my wrist, holla at me. I keep that pistol on me. Fuck you, nigga. You can't get it. Coming through every day. I stay ballin'. I flip my wrist. I had to. Holla at me. Coming through every day. I stay flexing with that brain roll. Nigga, I had to get it regardless. Like no tomorrow. Young nigga, still trapping on your street. Coming through in your neighborhood. Pussy nigga, I don't know you. I keep that full loaded clip everywhere I go. On my side, by your street. Yeah, I be killing it. Coming through every day. Freestyling at the studio, late night. I be killing it every week. Pulling up in my whip. Young nigga has to get regardless. Yeah.
Trapaholics. Real trap shit.